visiting location. This is Maria.
Hi!
She's our host here, and I think we're very happy because we have snow.
Yes, we have snow!
Yeah, absolutely. There's no snow in the south of Sweden now. There's no snow in Poland.
No.
And we arrived to the north of of Sweden just to find a little bit of snow, and we're very happy. And I think the location looks great.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of old wooden buildings, which I love, and we have some animals. We have chickens behind us. There is a chicken here, a little chicken house. And yeah, so we'll just look around and see how it goes. Already after checking the locations, and I'm pretty happy about the animals.
Yeah, they were awesome.
But the weather may change, so that's the difficult part when I'm doing these workshops. If I'm checking the location and it's sunny, and then the next day we come and it's cloudy. So,
yeah.
But actually it's more difficult the other way around.
Yeah, if it's cloudy when you check it out. Yeah.
And so because the light is very important to see where the light is going to be exactly. Well, so yeah, I'm gonna check, see how it works to tomorrow. And tonight we're meeting the group.
Yay! Yay! Dinner with the group. Anyway, we're here with the participants. That's Sara, that's Krain, and the other ones on the other side of the table. And we are enjoying our first night together, talking about tomorrow
and tomorrow and other stuff. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow at the farm. Our first day of shooting here in it's not Umea, right? We're
outside. Yeah,
we're outside. We had those wonderful kids that were posing for us, and horses and sleigh. I think it was great.
Yeah, awesome.
A lot of animals, and the kids really behaved, and the weather was quite all right.
Yeah.
There was no surprises. And right now we have those horses ready for our sleigh ride. Yay! In the snow, and that's going to be finished with a fire in the forest.
Yeah, and a meal in the forest.
Is that a Swedish thing here?
Yeah, kind of. We're kind of outdoorsy people, I guess. So yeah, eating in the forest.
In the forest in the night.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun. So hopefully we can make some videos, but it's going to be quite dark. We have only torches with us. ready to take our second day of the workshop. Right now we're going to get the horses and sledge go to the forest to take some extra photos for our shooting and hopefully get some nice photos of the horses.
The camping or the campfire trip was fun.
And the shooting and the kids.
And the shooting and the shooting. And the kids were awesome.
Awesome, beautiful kids, right?
Right.
That's nice. Sweden is nice.
It's great fun. Yeah, love the animals, love the place.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Kids, right?